Dinosaurs and Space Unveiling Cosmic Mysteries. Welcome to our channel, Space Cadets and Dino Enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on a cosmic quest, a journey that bridges the prehistoric past with the boundless frontiers of space. From the cataclysmic asteroid impact that ended their reign to the tantalizing possibility of their modern-day resurrection, get ready to explore the mysteries of dinosaurs in space. Picture this. Earth, 66 million years ago. Dinosaurs in all their majesty rule the planet. Giant sauropods graze on towering ferns, while fearsome predators like the Tyrannosaurus rex stalk their prey. But what if I told you that lurking in the cosmic shadows was a harbinger of doom? A celestial object destined to reshape life as we know it. Now imagine a chunk of rock. A massive asteroid wider than Mount Everest is tall, hurtling towards Earth at tens of thousands of miles per hour. This wasn't just any space rock. This was an extinction-level event waiting to happen. This massive asteroid slammed into what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico, creating the Chicxulub crater, a scar on the Earth's surface so large it can be seen from space. The impact released an unimaginable amount of energy, equivalent to billions of atomic bombs detonating simultaneously. The immediate aftermath was catastrophic. Imagine firestorms raging across continents, earthquakes that could split continents, and tsunamis towering hundreds of feet high, reshaping coastlines in an instant. But the real killer, the silent assassin, came in the form of a global dust cloud, so thick and dense it blotted out the sun, plunging the Earth into a perpetual freezing twilight. This impact winter, as it's called, disrupted plant life, collapsing food chains and leading to the extinction of nearly 75% of all species on Earth, including, most tragically, the dinosaurs. What if, by some cosmic twist of fate, that asteroid had missed? Would they still roam the Earth today, their thunderous footsteps shaking the ground? So we know what happened to the dinosaurs, a cosmic game of billiards with Earth as the unfortunate target. But what if, and this is where we really let our imaginations run wild, what if there was a way to hit the cosmic rewind button? Could we have saved the dinosaurs from their fiery fate? Imagine, if you will, a world where dinosaurs weren't just giant lizards, but intelligent beings, capable of comprehending the impending doom hurtling towards them. A world where they looked up at the stars not with primal fear, but with understanding, with knowledge of the vast universe beyond their own. Now let's take a giant leap and imagine that these intelligent dinosaurs, much like humanity today, had developed space travel. Could they have foreseen the asteroid impact? Could they have built colossal spaceships, arcs carrying the last remnants of their species, launching themselves away from the doomed Earth in a desperate bid for survival? Even if dinosaurs hadn't reached such technological heights, perhaps a more advanced alien civilization, observing from afar, could have intervened. Could they have swooped in, scooping up DNA samples or even live specimens of dinosaurs, preserving them from the apocalypse? Take the Troodon, for example, a small, bird-like dinosaur with a surprisingly large brain for its size. Some scientists believe that if the Troodon hadn't been wiped out, it had the potential to evolve into an intelligent species, perhaps even rivaling human intelligence. Chapter 3. Alien dinosaurs, roaming the cosmic Wild West? We've explored the tragic end of the dinosaurs on Earth and pondered the possibility of their escape into the cosmos. But what if the story of dinosaurs isn't confined to our pale blue dot? What if, somewhere out there in the vast expanse of the universe, dinosaurs still thrive, their roars echoing across alien landscapes? Think about it. The universe is a vast and varied place, teeming with billions upon billions of stars, each potentially orbited by planets of their own. And if there's one thing we've learned from life on Earth, it's that it's incredibly resilient, adapting and evolving to even the most extreme conditions. Now, imagine a planet much larger than Earth with stronger gravity. This super-Earth, as we call them, could be home to creatures far larger and more powerful than any dinosaur Earth has ever seen. Imagine colossal predators stalking through dense jungles, their footsteps shaking the very ground beneath them. Or picture an ocean world, a planet covered entirely in water. Could these watery depths harbor sleek aquatic dinosaurs, their streamlined bodies gliding through the alien seas, hunting bioluminescent prey in the inky blackness? And let's not forget about volcanic planets, worlds racked by constant eruptions and flowing lava. These seemingly hostile environments could be home to creatures that thrive on heat and geothermal energy, perhaps even dinosaur-like reptiles with scales as tough as armor, impervious to the scorching temperatures. Scientists searching for extraterrestrial life or signs of biosignatures on these distant exoplanets are looking for clues, for hints that life might exist beyond Earth. Chapter 4: Jurassic Park in Space, a Dino-mite Possibility? We've traveled back in time to witness the dinosaurs' demise, pondered their hypothetical journey into space, and imagined their continued existence on alien worlds. But what if, and this is where science fiction starts to bleed into the realm of possibility, we could bring dinosaurs back to life right here on Earth? Imagine a future where scientists, armed with the tools of genetic engineering, could reconstruct the DNA of these prehistoric giants. Imagine a world where we could walk among dinosaurs, not in museums or through CGI on the silver screen, but in the flesh. The science of bringing back extinct creatures is still in its infancy, but we're making incredible strides. Scientists are exploring the possibility of using gene editing tools, like CRISPR, to essentially reverse engineer bird DNA, bringing back ancient traits that have been dormant for millions of years. Imagine, for instance, a chicken with teeth or a velociraptor with feathers. These genetic modifications could potentially allow us to recreate creatures that resemble dinosaurs, if not perfect replicas. And if we could find well-preserved dinosaur DNA, perhaps trapped in amber, or frozen deep beneath the Earth's surface, the possibility of cloning dinosaurs becomes a tantalizing possibility. But where would we put these resurrected dinosaurs? Ethical concerns aside, Earth's current ecosystem might not be the ideal habitat for creatures adapted to a very different prehistoric world. That's where space comes in. Imagine building a massive, self-sustaining biodome on the Moon or Mars, a controlled environment where dinosaurs could roam freely, a sort of Jurassic Park in space. Chapter 5: Dino-mite Lessons: What Dinosaurs Teach Us About Space. We've journeyed through time and space, exploring the fascinating links between dinosaurs and the cosmos. We've pondered their extinction, their potential for space travel, their possible existence on other worlds, and even the prospect of bringing them back from extinction. But what can these magnificent creatures teach us about our own future among the stars? You see, dinosaurs weren't just giant lizards, they were masters of adaptation. They thrived in a variety of extreme environments, from scorching deserts to icy polar regions, from lush rainforests to volcanic landscapes. They evolved to fill every ecological niche imaginable, developing unique adaptations that allowed them to survive and thrive for over 180 million years. That's a lot longer than we humans have been around. And as we set our sights on becoming a spacefaring species, on colonizing other planets and venturing further into the cosmos, we can learn a lot from these prehistoric pioneers. Think about it. Dinosaurs had to adapt to changing climates, limited resources, and fierce competition. They developed efficient ways to regulate their body temperature, to find food and water in challenging environments, and to defend themselves against predators. These are all challenges that we, as humans, will face as we venture beyond Earth. Understanding how dinosaurs adapted to their environment could provide valuable insights into how we can design spacesuits, habitats, and even entire ecosystems that can support human life on other planets. But the lessons don't stop there. Studying dinosaur fossils, their bones, their footprints, their fossilized remains, allows us to piece together the history of life on Earth. Outro: Dinosaurs Space and the Future of Exploration. From their extinction by a cosmic bullet to the tantalizing possibility of their existence on other worlds, the connection between dinosaurs and space is undeniable. Their fossils hold clues to our own planet's history and the potential for life beyond Earth. Their adaptations inspire us as we develop technologies for space exploration. Could future humans encounter alien dinosaurs roaming a distant moon? Could we use advanced genetics to bring these magnificent creatures back to life, creating a Jurassic Park among the stars? Or will we simply learn from their past, using their resilience and adaptability as a blueprint for our own survival in the vast expanse of space? The answers to these questions are still out there, waiting to be discovered.